Go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafari bin Ahmad Zulkifli. Today I want to present about the Euro 2008 overview. First of all, I want to introduce my project report by Group 5. There are is Nurul Shamsu binti Ismail, Muhammad Syafari bin Ahmad Zulkifli, Rizwan bin Atan, and Surya binti Abdul Halim. Below follow the contents overview of case study sections. Firstly, introduction. Secondly, data quality issue. Thirdly, evaluation the issue. Follow the estimate financing issue. And final conclusion. Okay, next, let's do the talk introduction about the overview of case study section. Firstly, the main focus of the optimization of addresses of European football. Study is data management challenge and strategies which were implemented during the Euro 2008 Football Championship ticketing process. Then, it is also highlighting how the organizer managed the complexity of distributing the tickets to the respective Euro fans. At the same time, the organizer wanted to minimize the multiplicity of routes and the accuracy and optimize the operations.
Okay. Next, about the data quality issue. Data quality wasn't just a technical issue, but it affected on real fans, staff, and business. Here is how. First, fan got frustrated. Example, a family travel 3 p.m. to watching the match, but only find that last minute it was 8 p.m. This is to impact on the inaccurate data. So, what is the impact? So the impact is making a wasted time, money, and trust. Some might not return for future events. So next, lost money for small vendors. Example, food stall outside stadium order extra supply for sold out match, but seat were empty. So this is in consistent ticketing data. So what is the impact? There is unsold inventory and lost profit for local businesses. And the last one is misconnection with supporters. For example, a die-hard fan bought a ticket but never got emails about meet and greet, and it will show the incomplete the CRM data. And what is the impact? UEFA lost a chance to build lifelong fan loyalty. Okay.
Evaluate the issue. Good effort. They got the basic right. No major ticketing disasters like double bookings, real-time scores, stats work well, fans and better got accurate updates, left out no data sharing to help them plan inventory, but they miss the human side. No personal touch, fans just ticket numbers, not individuals with preferences. Small vendors were left out, no data sharing to help them plan inventory. Slow fixes when errors happen, like wrong kickoff times, correction to hours. So the verdict technically okay, but emotionally disappointing for fans and partners.
Okay, thank you to my friend Ms. Nurul. Now my session is estimate the financial issue. Bad data does just mean loss revenue. It's hurt people experience and trust. The angry fan, fewer returning customer. If the 5% of the fans had a bad experience, that could mean million in a loss future ticket sale. Example is a local businesses suffered a hot dog vendor losing €5, 500 euro per day, times by 30 match, around 50,000 euro in a waste food. In the most emotional moment, a kid who dreamed of a meeting a player but never got the email. First, that is disappointed for me. Uh, when we suggested and we found it, how to fix it is think human first. That means think human first. Euro 2008 could have one is a double check fans communication, like example mesh time confirm like SMS alert. Second one is a share attendance forecast with the vendor. It will help them prepare much better. And the third one is a use of fan data for surprise. Example like Mercy, as a merge or for lawyer support. Uh, the lawyer supported. That's for me. Now I'm passed to my friend. Thank you so much.
Last but not least is a conclusion. The Football Championship organization to accept and fulfill orders. Then there are the minor errors was processed manually, but the organization in total refused 1,100 orders. Last but not least, the UEFA Euro 2008 was an amazing football tournament held in Austria and Switzerland, ending with Spain winning their second European title after 44 years. It was full of surprise, great goals, and unforgettable moments. That's all our groups. Thank you.